The 6-stroke roll. This may be the funkiest of all the rolls. It's different. It has a single note at the beginning and a single note at the end. That's why it's an even number. Okay, so you have a single note, 2 diddles, and a single note. That's 6 notes, right? Got right, left, left, right, right, left. And consecutively, they sound like this. The 6-stroke roll. All right, let's slow it down. Pro tip for 6-stroke rolls, and again, this can be applied to any rudiment, but that is to interpret it different ways. Okay, I can play a 6-stroke roll as 30-second notes, like we were just practicing, or I could play it as a 6-tuplet. Very round and funky. Check this out. I'm going to morph it. I'm going to go from 30 seconds to the 6-tuplet. This 6-stroke roll.